Alrighty then, welcome back everybody, girls and boys. Another unboxing video. Check it out. This one is Genzo Tools, Nothing is Impossible. Gonzo Tools, Nothing is Impossible. FB Knife. Facebook.com Gonzo Knife. Instagram.com Gonzo Knife. www.gonzo.cn. Product knives, brand Genzo, made in China. Thank you for choosing Gonzo knives. Gonzo knives can help you deal with all kinds of problems in your wilderness, survival, and daily life. When you face kinds of outdoor troubles, Gonzo's serious knives can make you feel more confident. Applicable traveling, mountaineering, venturing, pedestrianism through the forest, collection, defending, warning, sharp blade, handle with care. If not used, keep it full. Keep away from children. Yeah, definitely keep away from children. Alright, let's open this bad boy up, my peeps. See what's up real quick. Ah, nice. Ooh, nice. Oops, excuse me. Pardon me. Ah, nice. I like the color. It's my favorite color. Green, as long as it has some green tone. It's not my favorite green color, but it's green. Alright, nice. Gotta make sure these are nice and tight, because they come loose. All that. Just get your Allen wrench, your L keys, and just secure everything. Just to make sure. Alright, let's pop this bad boy open. So most likely this is a release knob. So if you press it down, let's see. It should lift this. Yeah, there you go, you see? So just by pressing this down, it releases it. And the way you go about it, you press it down and you go like, you pop it up. Hold on. Oh, what the? It's not doing it. Oh, hold on. There you go. There you go. Nice, my peeps. You never know. I could use it. You never know when you can use a knife, man. And portable, carry with you. I mean, self-defense. I mean, so many things. I mean, there's so many uses for this. So, I'm not a fan of weapons. I'm a fan of tools. Yeah, because, I mean, this can be used as a fucking deadly weapon. You could fuck somebody up, you can fuck yourself up, but it's a tool. You know, you gotta get things done, build stuff, shelter, I don't know, survival. Like, it's gonna come through. It's gonna come through, my peeps. And then to close it, you just press it down and then you just go like that. There you go, my peeps. So that's it. I gotta find out what is this protrusion or this this slot, you know, and maybe these little ridges. I don't know what they do. I gotta look at the manual or maybe YouTube it and see, Instagram and see what's out there. What are the many uses for this? Alright, my peeps, I won't make this too long. That's it for this video. Wanted to guys show you this survival knife. Alright, that's it, everyone. Hope you like it. The usual, like always, my peeps, smash that thumbs button, comment, share the video, hit the subscribe, and then hit the little icon, the notification bell. Bing! Alright, everyone, I'll see you for the next unboxing video. Alright, peace, love,